Today I want to share with you what we call our family pie. It's called a Southern custard pie. And when my grandmother, who was born in the late 1800s, got married, she married a guy from Mississippi. This was their family pie. And she said that his mother, my grandfather's mother, taught her how to make this pie. And it's really, really simple. And it's in my cookbook right here. If you're interested in our cookbook, HodgesFarmTexas.com. You can order online. And it's called a Southern custard pie. Here's a picture. And from here, it looks like a pecan pie, doesn't it, Caden?
Yes, ma'am.
But it doesn't have pecans in it. Anyway, I know it by heart, so I don't need to look. You're going to start out with 4 eggs. And what you do with every ingredient is you just mix after every ingredient. I'm going to put this on a 350 degree oven. The original recipe just said, didn't say tablespoons. It just said 4 spoons of flour. This is a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of allspice, and half a teaspoon of cloves. So if you don't like spices, you probably won't like this pie. But you could cut them in half some way. Here is 3/4 cup of sugar. We're almost through. Oh, that smells so good, doesn't it, Kate?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to be sure and try to get all this flour mixed in here good. We had this every time at Grandma's. She made chocolate pies. Not as good as the chocolate pie that's in here. The chocolate pie in this cookbook has no eggs in it, and it is wonderful. We have had thousands of positive comments about it, and it's very simple. And Grandma would make a chocolate pie, and it'd be real thin, and she would have meringue on it, but the meringue would be about that thick. She never could do meringue right. And I'm not judging, because I'm not good at meringue either. But anyway, we would have this pie and the chocolate pie. That's what Grandma was famous for. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of whole milk. If you want to be health conscious and use 2%, or, I guess it would probably taste okay. All you do is get this mixed up good. And all this, excuse me for making noise. This is a really good pie for Thanksgiving because it is kind of fallish. Of course, we eat it anytime. It doesn't have to be fall for us or any specific celebration. This is one of those pies that you just leave out, and it's good cold, it's good warm. It's just plain good. This is 4 tablespoons of butter, and you just kind of dab them in here. And then I'm going to I should have mixed them in here before I did this. But the butter's going to you're going to see it on top when it cooks. Should have mixed it in here. Let me give it this so it'll get going. It's cold butter, and you cut it up in little tiny pieces. There you go. Don't worry, it's farm fresh eggs. I'm not worried about tasting a raw egg. Now I'm going to take this. I'm going to cook it in a 350 degree oven till it's done. I'm not sure how long that is. I will time it. And I'm hoping we get it ready before the kids leave, right, Caden?
Yes, ma'am.
Caden and 2 of his friends are here helping me get ready for this week. And of course, we've already got a flat on the mule. So we're starting out with more chaos. But here's our little pie, and I'm going to show you how wonderful it is when we get it done. Here's our pie, and if I had mixed the butter in with it, it would be a little you can see where the butter was on this. Does the kitchen smell good, Caden?
Yes, ma'am.
This kitchen smells wonderful. And you can see there's some pieces missing. These are for my boys. This is Kay. Say hi.
Hello.
And this is Jacob.
Hello.
And they're going to do a taste test. And they're not pie lovers. Well, Jacob is.
Yes, ma'am. I'm not too much of it.
Okay, try it and see if you like it. See what you think. And don't tell a lie. You got to tell the truth. See if you can get it. Is it too hot? Is it too hot? Is
That's
it
good.
It's good.
That's good. Yeah.
Describe it. Tell them what it tastes like.
Like cinnamon.
Yeah. Nutmeg.
Yeah. Some.
Cloves.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Like
That's that
monkey
one.
bread a little bit.
Do you like the crust?
Yes,
Isn't
ma'am.
that a soft crust?
Yes, ma'am.
I did a crust recipe a couple days ago, and it's on our website. And you can see we've changed clothes because we've been working. They're still sweating. Look at Jacob; he's still sweating. Well, I worked them to death trying to get ready for next week. So, thank you for watching our videos, and try this, our family pie.